A properly maintained battery is essential for reliable starting and consistent electrical performance. In this procedure, we'll walk through how to replace the battery on your Can-Am Defender HD11. Before beginning, place the unit in park, turn the ignition off, and remove the key. This procedure requires a few basic hand tools. For more details, a complete tool list is available in the video description. The battery is located beneath the right passenger seat on 3-seat models, or under the right rear passenger seat on Max models. Lift the appropriate seat to access the battery compartment. If equipped, remove the floor mats to access the battery cover. Remove the plastic battery cover by loosening the 2/4 turn fasteners, then lift the cover out of position. Before disconnecting the battery, identify the negative and positive terminals. Always disconnect the black negative cable first, followed by the red positive cable. This helps prevent accidental short circuits. With both cables disconnected, remove the battery holder screws and lift out the battery retainer. Carefully remove the battery from the compartment. Position the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it is fully seated and properly oriented. Reinstall the battery holder and tighten the retaining screws to specification. When reconnecting the cables, always connect the red positive cable first, followed by the black negative cable. Ensure the star washers are correctly installed on each side of the cable lead. Torque the terminal fasteners to the specified value. Reinstall the battery post cover, then reposition the plastic battery cover and secure it with the 1/4 turn fasteners. Reinstall any removed components, including floor mats and seats. This completes the battery replacement procedure for your Can-Am Defender HD11. Regular inspection and proper installation help ensure dependable starting and long-term electrical system performance. Always refer to your operator's guide for service intervals and specifications.